most of you, your age group, you do all the help on the side, like helping with the scraping of the coconut, peeling bananas, and all that kind of stuff. So we build it up to a certain, maybe about this height right here, and then from there we start setting up the firewoods on it. Okay, and then right after that, then we start putting in all the rocks. We're gonna light it up and then start piling up all the bigger rocks on the top. The fire is really hot. It will heat up the rock really, really, really hot, and your cooking time is less. The firewood all falls in. Okay, when it falls in, there's gonna be some charcoals too in the bottom. So we're gonna remove all this away, clean it up with the banana leaves, and then we start putting all the food on it. And then we grab all the other rocks that were on the top and we start piling it all around it. And then see all these leaves over here? We're gonna cover it all up. Cover it up, leave it, walk away, and just go relax and wait till when it's time to open it up. So when you open it up, everything is cooked. Okay?